Hello and welcome back to SEO for web designers. In this lesson, we're going to discuss what SEO is, as well as what the web designer's role is in the process. And we'll discover that even if you're not the one providing SEO services to your clients, there are still things you can do to make sure their website is more visible to search engines, things that don't take a whole lot of extra time. So first of all, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it involves the use of numerous tools and techniques to help improve a website's search engine rankings for a given set of keywords. In other words, SEO is the art of helping users find your content in search engines. In the early days of the internet, SEO was more about the search engine and less about the user. As long as you inserted the appropriate keywords into the text of your web page, you had a pretty good chance of ranking well for those search terms. However, over the years, search engines have become much more sophisticated, and it's more important than ever to create great content on a consistent basis that will keep your users coming back for more. Today's search engines are looking for more than just the right keywords. Search engines like Google and Yahoo and Bing are all designed to think like a human being, and they are now using much more sophisticated algorithms to decide what websites make it to the front page for given search terms. If you think about it from the point of view of Google, for example, it makes sense that they would want to focus on delivering relevant, valuable, authoritative content to their users. The main goal for a search engine is to help its users weed through countless websites to find exactly what they're looking for. So if your website isn't useful to your targeted audience, then it doesn't matter how effective your keyword research efforts are. The point here is that it's important to focus on both the search engine and the end user. By focusing on the search engine, you will be able to create content that is visible to Google and Bing, and by focusing on the user, you will be able to create content that keeps people coming back for more. But I want to issue one word of warning before we move forward. Before you get started, it's crucial to understand and to make sure that your clients understand that SEO is a long-term strategy. You aren't going to see results overnight, and if that's what your clients expect, then you will be fighting a losing battle. Things change constantly on the internet, and SEO requires continual evaluation, testing, and reworking if it's going to be effective. But having said that, it's time to get started talking about what you can do as a web designer to assist your clients in finding the targeted traffic they're looking for. And in the next video, we'll get started by talking about the basics of keyword research. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you then.